When you finish the form, the download form, you will see this template page and you will see these three flows. This WheelBOT Pro flow is just for information purposes. The only working flows are WheelBOT and Will Answer. Additionally, you will have this wheel keyword in order to call the WheelBOT flow, but you can call WheelBOT flow with a button, with an action, or whatever you want. So now let's install this template on any bot with a pro account, with a ManyChat Pro account. So let's choose this and press install. So let's install it. After you have a successful installation, you will be redirected to this template page, and you can see the template clicking on this button or just going to automation, and you will see this folder, WheelBOT for ManyChat. So if you click on that, you will see these three flows. Remember, this is just for information purposes, this WheelBOT Pro flow, and the only working flows are WheelBOT that we will see in a few minutes. And first we will see this Will Answer flow. So if you click on that flow, you will see this simple send message and this will answer custom field. So you can use this custom field will answer for different conditions. For example, if this have a winning condition, you can redirect to some flow or do whatever you want. So now we will check the WheelBOT flow in order to configure WheelBOT. Let's dive in WheelBOT flow. Okay, so when you get in this flow, this WheelBOT flow, you will see these flows, these steps. The first step you need to do in order just to test WheelBOT, please don't do nothing but get your API token from settings and put it over here. So let's go to settings. Remember, this is just for test the first time if WheelBOT is just working. Then in a few minutes we will see how to customize WheelBOT. But now we want just to test if WheelBOT is working. So let's dive again that folder, and in this flow let's edit again and replace the null value of token with your API token in this step 1. So let's replace it with my ManyChat API token and let's publish. Just do that and WheelBOT should work on your chatbot by now. So let's preview. Okay, I just received a message. This message from WheelBOT, and you will see this with this web view with the wheel fortune and a button. It can be in Spanish too, and these are the three main sections of the free version of WheelBOT. In the Pro version, you may have a lot more sections, customize colors, and customize the probabilities of each section. Let me test if WheelBOT is running. So click on the wheel button, and we have the you lose option, and we have the answer from the web view from the wheel, that is bad move, you lose. And this option you can customize in this flow, in this step. But first I want to show you how to customize the previous step. So this attempts custom field, it's for if you want to the user click on the wheel button unlimited times or just one time. If you, as you can see in the help, you may have value of 1 and -1. 1 is for 1 attempt per day and -1 is unlimited attempts per day. Okay, and you have the other custom field called length that can have two values, EN for English or ES for Spanish. So now we have an unlimited times and in English. So you can change this, for example, to Spanish, ES, or remain in English. Okay, let's go to the next step. The next step is the wheel button text. So this text, try my luck. Okay, you can customize this by changing this custom field. Change as you wish. The next step is 3.2. So this step is to customize the WheelBOT question. So in this case, do you feel lucky? Is the question. So I click that, I click on that, and I can change this or customize whatever you want. And let's go to the final step, that is the sections customizer. That, as you can see, you have the most possible option, that is the web view section with the most probabilities, that is this section, you lose. Okay, and if the will get this option, you lose, it will send this message, bad move, you lose. You can change this too. You can change everything in these 3 sections. There is 3 sections predefined in probabilities. So there is the most possible option, the mid possible option, and the low possible option. That is about 15 or 20% of the probabilities. So you can customize this. You can use, for example, in this case, you can use a custom field in order to get some discount code or whatever you want. And this is the final step. You can customize. You can add some text here. This is this scene, this part. So you can add text after or before this message, or replace completely this message. So we will not change anything in here. And let's, for example, make some change in this custom field. So I will change you lose for all you lose. Okay, and I will publish this, and I can preview now. Okay, here is this message. So let's click on that, and as you can see, there is a new text in this option, in this section, all you lose. So that's how can you customize the WheelBOT. You can customize all the sections, text and values, the language, the quantity of attempts, the button text, the question text, and don't forget to add your token here as the first step. Additionally, you have these comment steps in order to help you what is the action of each step. So that's it, and thank you very much for download and using WheelBOT. WheelBOT is for free, and if you want more sections, more flexibility in order to define probabilities and customize colors and a lot of amazing things, you can create a free account on WheelBOT Pro, paid plan of WheelBOT, and you will get these cool actions, these cool features of WheelBOT Pro. That's it. Thank you very much and see you soon, guys.